Savvy Serena. Today I'm doing Wednesday, which is the kitchen. It's a series that I'll be running through for the next, 4 or 5 Mondays, letting you know what I do on each day of the week. So today is the kitchen, and I wrote a little list. And as most of y'all know, I put my to-do list inside my planner, so I'll be checking it out from here of what I do and what I don't do. Also, at the end of this, I will let you know what I thought of this cleaning routine, if it's something I think I'll stick with or whether I like it. So give me a thumbs up if you're liking a new routine or if you like this routine, and let's get going.
Y'all come back now, you hear?